friends, welcome back to my channel. We made it back to Munich, so we drove back all the way and I'm currently here at my parents' house, actually in my childhood room. So I grew up here, but right now it's like the studio room for my mom because she's a writer and she needs her little space. But yeah, I will give you a little bit more detailed life update in the next video. But today I want to take you with me on another Create With Me Thursday and I will create a new photo with you together. I have a pretty cool idea. I hope you like it. So basically, my idea is that I will wear like this outfit. I think you've seen it probably in another photo of mine as well. So it's like a vintage skirt and some vest which fits to the skirt. And I will go outside to a playground and sit on a swing. And my boyfriend will actually hold some green screen in the back, so it's like easier to edit myself out. And afterwards I will take this photo into Photoshop and I will edit myself on the swing into some set of clouds, so it actually looks like I'm swinging in the clouds. And if you're interested, stay tuned. If you want to learn more about creative photography and how to build a business around your art, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Shot all of the images, and the first thing I usually do is go on my computer, go in Bridge and look at all of the photos I shot. So you can see at the beginning I had a bit of a trouble to get the focus right because I was like moving so fast on the swing. The camera was a little slow in autofocus, and also I had the wrong settings which I changed. The images I took in the end are much better, much sharper, and I also realized when it's the best moment to actually press my remote control. In the beginning it was more all over the place, but I think there are a couple of images which are quite good and which I can definitely use for my image. I already did a little pre-selection. Here you can see my pre-selection. I think there are a couple of really nice images, and this image is actually the one I want to choose for my final image. I had another favorite one. I think this one more so represents like the fear of being up in the sky on a swing and just looking down, a little fearful. And this one is more representing like the fun part of it, like being happy on a swing in the sky. For this image I wanted to go with like the happy part of the swing in the sky, so I chose to go with this image. And then I took the image into Photoshop and I used the object selection tool to select myself and the swing, and then I did the refine selection to make a better selection. It was quite a hassle, especially with the swing as it's so detailed. Before I even got the selection perfectly, I also changed the color of my outfit because I wanted to get a better feeling for the image, and then it took me quite some time to make the selection like perfectly. Then I changed the color of the lips as I usually do, and I painted a little bit with light to get a better feeling for the image as I mentioned. And then I searched for cloud images in Adobe Stock and I chose two really cool images. One is the main image like with all of the clouds, and one are like clouds in front of a black background which I can edit in really easily and just add a couple of different clouds on the cloud background. I also removed parts of the big background to get a little bit of a blue sky in the back. So this is it. This is how the image turned out. And I hope you liked it. It was really fun, something different than my usual photo shoots. And if you are interested in more content about creative photography and building a business around your art, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!